to another video of Art with Miss Beck. I am so excited that you're here with me, and thank you for joining. Today we are going to be working on an Easter project. During the week of Easter, I thought we would do something fun that possibly your whole family could get around and do, and it kind of mixes art and science. So for this project, you're going to need to find a pan of some sort. It doesn't necessarily have to be round, but it does need to have an edge. So you could even use a cake pan even though it's rectangular. You're going to also need some food coloring. Now, it does not matter what brand of food coloring you buy, but you might want an assortment of different colors. Now, I highly recommend getting the liquid form of the food coloring and not the gel kind. In the video up in the corner, you can see I used the gel kind, and it really didn't react as much with the project that we're going to be doing. You're going to also need some milk. It doesn't matter what brand or percentage, but it's going to help you allow to see the colors. Finally, you're going to need some cotton balls that are soaked in Dawn dish soap. I just let these soak for a few minutes and they soaked up the Dawn dish soap super well. Now, the first step is to take the milk and to pour it very slowly into the bottom of the pan, just so the pan is covered with the milk. It really doesn't need to be any higher than that. Now you're going to be taking the food coloring and you're going to gently squeeze out one drop and kind of spread it out around the pan. You'll notice that I take each color and put 3 dots, scattered them around my pan. You may decorate it however you would like, but please remember that this will stain your clothes, so please have adult supervision as you're using these supplies. Now, this is the part where you're going to grab the cotton balls and you're going to carefully place one in the middle and watch as the food coloring, and more so the milk, react with the dish soap. Watch the colors as they start to react with each other and move across the pan. Now, at this point, you can kind of look at the colors and they look really cool, but I noticed that there were some spots around the edges where the colors weren't really interacting with each other. So I decided to place some cotton balls on each end of the pan to see if I could get the colors to react a little bit more. It's important not to move the cotton balls too much in the pan, otherwise you're going to get some muddy brown colors. When you think your colors are done reacting, you can take the cotton ball out and then just look at the color as it continues to kind of move across the milk. Now, one of my thoughts was, after I was done, I wondered if I should have tried to dip some of my eggs, like you would dye an Easter egg, into this little pan of colors, but I never tried it. So if you do, let me know how it works. Thank you for joining me, art friends, for another lesson with Miss Beck. I really do appreciate it. If you liked what you saw, make sure to leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. You can also click the subscribe button so that you can see Miss Beck's videos that I post every single Monday for a new art video. So with that, I will see you guys later, but you're gonna want to join us for next week's art project. Trust me, it's pretty cool. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye! Okay, let's try again.